Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying out these hair sticks, I guess is what they're called. But they're super cute, lots of different styles. I got these from PandaHall, which I will have linked in the description. And yeah, so I've got some ideas. There are eight sticks. Yeah, okay. And so I've got 8 different things. So I'm gonna go one of these with the Mermaid's Dream color cream, one with the Dusty Rose color cream. These are from, of course, Dryer Days Arts. I pulled a gold mica powder, a red mica powder, and a green mica powder because it's Christmas, or at least the day that this gets posted, it will almost be Christmas. And then I'm going to use their gold and silver foils and some of these little sprinkles, glitters. This is actually a nail kit, but you can use, you know, nail art glitters and stuff in your resin pieces as well. So one of the things that I'm going to do before pouring the resin, or mixing the colors and then pouring the resin, is for these, the foils, I want to actually dust the foils into the molds. And I want to do this because I don't want them to get lost in translation, where you mix your resin in and then all of a sudden they've disappeared, right? So I want to do that. And then, yeah, I'm just going to mix up some colors and some glitters, and we're gonna have a party, a pouring party. Join my pouring party today, people. Alright, well, yeah, that's the plan, Stan. Let's go ahead and get rolling. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Okay, friends, professional YouTuber here. I forgot to turn on my microphone when I was unmolding. But anyway, I guess I'll show you these two that I unmolded. Very, very pretty. They came out great. I like them a lot. So here's the ones. Let me just get that extra foil out of there. There we go. So these are the ones with the embedded foil, and I think, oh my god, that's gorgeous. That came out spectacular, you guys. One thing I am noticing is that these molds are matte finish. So don't expect, you know, to get super shiny resin pieces out of this. I've got some more extra stuff right there. But, God, that is gorgeous. I mean, isn't that gorgeous, guys? Oh, the way that gold shines in it. So pretty. Okay. Some of these remind me of wands. Like Harry Potter wands. Like this one. Just looks like it would be like somebody's Expecto Resinimus. Yes, I'm a nerd. Okay. I think I'm going to save this one for last, actually. And yes, I did put down my tape so that that would stay flat. And again, this one looks like a Harry Potter wand to me. But very, very pretty. And I do have some extra that I need to cut off of some of these. Let's just say, by the time I got my resin all mixed up, it was starting to go, so I was kind of in a rush. So that's why on the video where I was pouring it, it looks like I was in a rush. Because I was trying to beat the clock. And I managed to do that successfully, I think, for the most part. This one is gorgeous. Reminds me of like a seashell. Isn't that beautiful? Oh! Oh! Can't wait. Okay, let's do this one. Wow. That is so pretty. Okay. So there's the hair sticks, and then had some extra resin, and again, I was like scrambling trying to find molds. I did not have time to poke the tip to get out any bubbles, but it looks like I didn't really have to, because it came out really nice. Wow. So yeah, so that's these. I will have a link to everything in the description down below as always, and I believe I'm filming this before I know for sure, but I'm pretty sure if I've left this part in, then PandaHall has given me a discount code for all of you to use. Again, this was not sponsored, but it was very nice of them to offer you guys all a discount as well for, you know, anything on the site, really. And like I said, I'm going to repeat myself for the 1,000th time. They do a lot of jewelry findings, but a lot of other stuff that you can, like wood rounds and stuff that you can alter with resin. But yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really, really does help out my channel. Helps me to grow. And if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much again for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care, guys.